Hello, January 26th. This is the Nasdaq technical analysis. We're starting with the weekly. We still have those who have been following. We have this uh, diagonal resistance, and we're testing it again. Looking at the lower time frame, then we'll see that let's go to the 4 hour, and we see that we have this channel. It actually needs to be adjusted a bit, so I will do that now, because sometimes this is what happens in technical analysis. We had uh, either wrong, I had wrong a wrong channel in the which is a bit off, but price action and new information such as yesterday's bounce, they help us to tweak the channels and lines, because we want to put the lines and channels where price has reacted, and this is an ongoing process. Sometimes, I mean, it's ideal to have that correct channel and line in the first place, but if we don't, it's better to correct than to stick with in a stubborn way with the previous one. So price action is the what talks, and we have now this touch point from yesterday. Very nice bounce. This is almost a V recovery, and look at where price is, because my red resistance zone or thick line is, I believe, correct or close to correct, close enough to correct, and we're right there. And it seems that uh, price wants to try to break out up again. And if it does, we'll be looking at this channel again. It might. We're also in the we're also here in the middle of this yellowish channel. We're now again at this double resistance. We'll see what happens. It depends also on Tesla, which was a bit lukewarm most of the after hours, but ended the after hours in a positive way, just over 5% up. And it really depends if it will sustain that. Uh, we also, for the past video, I was talking about look at this channel or something similar enough to it, and as well as look at the EMA. That's this black line. And the reason that we jumped before getting there is because ES was leading. ES is leading now, from what I see, reacting first before NQ. And we had a perfect touch on the 20 EMA right here. Okay. Those that basically there's buy orders right there that were going long, and it started going up. People that were short had to cover, and we had very interesting candle. This is a daily candle of ES, basically going down quite a lot. This is 1.9%, and then back up, finishing almost zero. This is about 1.8. And now it seems that we're going up. ES is 0.3% up. And again, ES also has a similar situation where it needs to break out from this long term resistance all the way from very close to the all time high in December 21. Because, and I've mentioned this in the past, and I'll end here, because a lot of times resistances need at least three, and sometimes usually four, but it can be also more than four attempts before it breaks the resistance. So we have one or close to one here, a second one, third, and now we're in the fourth, and that fourth is even has two attempts. So it's looking quite eager to break out up from that red diagonal zone or line. And we have an interesting candle, as mentioned yesterday. EMA is still trending up. And it seems that it's got a good chance now to break out from this horizontal resistance and do maybe something like this. So we'll check that out, do come back to Forex Live for additional perspectives and have